Mark here from Random Doodle Time, and today we're going to be learning how to clean a bird cage. Your first step is to remove the tray from below the bird cage. Then throw away what's inside. Next, clean the bird cage with the bath and with the shower head at a high-speed water shooter at warm temperature. You can leave it on the bath for a little bit, but make sure to watch it so you don't waste water. Shake it a little bit to shake what's stuck to the thing loose. Then go to your shower head and go with the hardest water. You want to get as much water as you can in a small area. Always be a little bit stuck. You might have to do some by hand. Next, clean it with a paper towel. You don't need to be gentle, but don't break the thing. Make sure you get in between the grate. And then make clean the tray with a paper towel as well. Wet paper towel, by the way. Next, you can use paper towels to save money and line it, and it works very well. Cool trick. Next, make sure to drain the water. And then make sure to use the shower head to get any that has stayed in the bathtub. Next, use a vacuum. We have a mini shop vac. It's very useful to clean up all the feathers and birdseed. Make sure especially to get around the cage. Make sure to clean inside the cage as well, as some may not always get into the tray or may fall out when you're removing the tray. Next, clean the bars of the cage and clean the place between the cage bars and the outside. There's a little bit that gets there, especially birdseed. Clean inside the cage with a wet paper towel. Clean every part of the cage with a wet paper towel, actually. Make sure you use the vacuum to clean where the cage was as well. Get a paper towel wet, but not too wet, and use it to clean underneath the cage as well. Clean the wall and whatever. Put the tray back inside of the cage, like so. And then put the grate above the tray. Make sure to clean the food and water bowls. After you've cleaned the trays, make sure to refill them with food and water. And that is how to clean a bird cage. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed. I'm the creator of How to Tie and different types of ties for kids. Subscribe if you want to see that.